Alright everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly incredible, a magical process that happens all around us every single day and is absolutely essential for almost all life on Earth: photosynthesis. You've probably heard the word, but what exactly is it, and how do plants actually pull it off? Let's break down this amazing natural phenomenon. So, imagine a world without plants. Pretty bleak, right? Well, the reason plants are so vital is because they are the ultimate food makers. Unlike us, they don't need to eat other organisms or go to the grocery store. They literally create their own food from scratch, using just a few simple ingredients. This is what photosynthesis is all about: converting light energy into chemical energy in the form of sugar. Think of a plant's leaves as tiny, incredibly efficient solar-powered factories. To run these factories, they need three main things. First, they need sunlight. This is their primary energy source, like the electricity that powers a factory. They capture this light using a special green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what makes plants look green, and it's contained within tiny structures inside the plant cells called chloroplasts. These chloroplasts are like the actual solar panels of the plant. Second, plants need water. They get this by soaking it up from the soil through their roots, which act like intricate straw systems. The water then travels up the stems and branches, making its way to the leaves where all the action happens. And third, they need carbon dioxide. We breathe out carbon dioxide, and it's a common gas in the air around us. Plants breathe in this carbon dioxide through tiny little pores on the surface of their leaves called stomata. Think of stomata as microscopic mouths that open and close to let gases in and out. Once the sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide are all inside those little chloroplast factories in the leaves, a chemical reaction takes place. The plant uses the energy from the sunlight to literally transform the water and carbon dioxide into two new products: sugar, their food, usually in the form of glucose, and oxygen. That's right. The oxygen that we, and almost all other living creatures, breathe to survive is actually a byproduct of plants making their own meals. The sugar produced is then used by the plant for energy to grow, develop new leaves, produce flowers and fruits, and generally keep itself healthy and thriving. Any extra sugar can be stored for later use, just like we might store extra food. So, the next time you see a green plant, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work it's doing. It's quietly harnessing the power of the sun to create its own sustenance, and in doing so, it's providing the very air we breathe. It's a truly miraculous and foundational process for all life on Earth. Pretty cool, right?